those kind of things we are very happy to find them, but it scares me also a bit that like a small thing like a server action which is misused can have a lot of impact when you're running Next.js at a big scale. We solved a big issue with using server actions right. So we were using server actions as GET requests, which you shouldn't do because server actions are actually built for mutations, but we were using them on the server to get data while rendering the page. But the problem with that is a server action is automatically converted into a post. And when we navigated our way before that post was completed, it kept hanging on our server. Moving all those server actions to normal GET requests got us from 5 requests a second to 8 to 10, so almost double. Mm-hmm. And the time to first byte decreased by 300 milliseconds. So it went from like 1 second to 700 milliseconds. So that's a big improvement.